We discovered one of the prettiest towns in France, and it feels straight out of a fairy tale. Stick around to see the cobbled streets and castles of Vitre.
Hey guys.
Today we're in Vitre, which is like a fairy tale kind of historic town. It is a bigger town as well, but we've come to see the historic side of it.
Absolutely, I'm looking forward to a walk around. Yeah, it looks amazing. We just pulled up.
We're hoping for some lunch.
Yes, hopefully. Maybe get a coffee somewhere and explore.
Yes.
Let's do it.
Look at the cute little streets.
It's really nice, isn't it?
It's so pretty.
And it's really quiet.
Yeah. I don't think anything really opens until 12.
No. We do need to find a bakery though.
And a loo.
Had all of this waiting ahead. It kills to be halfway alive since I had you and one till I see you again.
Okay, we were just reading, and there's 3 like historic streets like this, so we're gonna obviously explore those.
Yeah.
And there's some hotels to look at that are like old buildings, and it says that the buildings are Gothic and Renaissance, so all different.
Yep.
And Victor Hugo,
Yeah,
who
he's
I
impressive.
believe wrote Les Mis. I might be wrong. If I'm wrong, you won't have seen this
Yeah,
clip.
that's
But
amazing.
he used to like come in here and visiting, but it's been a tourist destination since like early 19th century,
Yeah.
which you can believe.
Absolutely, it's amazing.
Yeah. And they've got a tattoo shop.
Yeah. Yeah.
Mental.
Gotta find the hotel. The hotel is apparently one of the most beautiful buildings around here, so you've got to find that.
And number 30 and number 27 on the
Yeah.
next street.
Yeah,
So.
it's amazing. But I'm impressed about Victor Hugo.
Yeah, I'm
If
sure that's who it is.
I mean, maybe. We'll
1
Google
minute.
it.
It is.
That's pretty awesome. I
Yeah,
love
he was
that.
a writer, French writer.
Yeah, fantastic.
And I love Les Mis, so
You can definitely see it.
Yeah.
You get inspiration from it.
Yeah.
Definitely.
Trying to spend a little time away. Want your hands and our pixels on a web. Down with this internet. I run and I run, call you up, you're on the other side.
we found, oh, you can't see, there you go. We found Louis' building.
Oh, yeah.
Is that a fish? Poisson. A fishery.
So we think it's the 15th, 16th century?
Yeah, the castle's from like the 11th and the 13th, but these buildings are probably more 15th.
And the way they lean in, I would imagine it's what we were saying the other day, the footings would just tramp down. So
Yeah.
it was actual proper footing, and they obviously in time just start.
Did you what?
Say my name, kiss my name, believe no more. It's like we're right here, then I realize how can I have you
Look at this
when
one.
we're worlds apart? Say my name, we're not here, can only go so far.
I like this one with the faces.
I preferred that one back there.
Did you?
Yeah.
Okay, we've stopped for some drinks. John has got, wait for it, you're going to be shocked, an espresso.
Do it the French way. What's the best though? The best?
Yeah.
Biscoff. You all know I love Biscoff. That was like a little gold of heaven.
Can I have it?
No.
I got a Coca Light. Oh, it's got voicing on it. Whose is yours? Oh, voicing.
Nice.
Nice. I like this though.
Oh yeah. Do you want it? You can have it if you want it.
No, it's fine. He's only saying that because he wants to seem
Just
nice.
share it.
No, I'm alright. Right, John thinks he found a bakery.
No, I've seen someone walking out.
He actually said they are a bakery.
The quiet has a
Baguette?
It's warm. It smells
Sandwiches.
amazing.
Yeah.
It does smell amazing. So we decided to have our baguettes at the castle.
Yeah.
So walking down this really lovely street.
Yeah.
Look at this.
Away with words. I think even my thoughts are letting up. Can't keep them from racing.
Look.
Oh wow.
We're not seeing that yet.
That looks impressive.
Okay, you can see it. Look. Oh my goodness. Yeah, it's not a full castle, it's just the walls.
Alright.
So it's a nice view for lunch
It
anyway.
really is, yeah.
And Tracy has snagged some benches.
Nice.
So this is our view for lunch.
It's not too bad, is it?
But something spooky happened last night. And we didn't tell you.
Very spooky. So, yeah, Tracy, my sister, you've probably seen in other vlogs.
She's normally like running away.
Yeah. Someone delivered a bowl what said her name on, like, customised on the
Yeah.
bowl. If none of us, it wasn't, we don't think it was a campsite, it was just a gift. That it's not in the campsite shop, so no one knows where it's come from. However, we just seen them plates on the wall, what we just shown you, and they look very similar to that.
I think I know what happened. Do you think Tracy upset the fairy from yesterday?
Maybe.
It's a lovely bowl though.
It is lovely,
And,
but we don't know where it's come from.
No, and we spent yesterday with being accused of bowl purchasing and we didn't. Okay, I bought 2 different chicken baguettes. So John, pick one and it's potluck.
What have we got?
Either poulet total
Right.
or poulet Caesar, so chicken Caesar.
What do you want?
I don't mind, but
Yeah, I don't mind either. So.
okay. We've got brownies.
That's a nice brownie. Look at that.
I wasn't buying them. I'd already said thank you.
That's good.
Yeah. I know it's fluffy, look.
Driving me crazy, I'm picturing you till it hurts. And I don't mind spending a little time away. Want your hands and not pixels on away.
So, dogs are not allowed in the castle. We had our baguette, so me and my sister we were going to go and explore. It was built in the 11th century and then got bigger in the 15th century. So yeah, we're going to explore. Let's go.
Enough for this internet. Running, I run, call you up, you're on the other side.
So if you are coming here, you want to go to the castle, it's free to be in the courtyard where we are now, and if you want to go into the towers around, I'll show you in a minute, it's €7. So really, really good. Obviously we're not going to do it today because dogs are not allowed and they're waiting for us, so we're just going to have a wander around the courtyard and yeah, we can carry on with our day. So you all know I love a flag. That one there's a Brittany flag.
Say my name, kiss my name, believe no more. It's like we're right here, then I realize how can I have you when we're worlds apart? Say my name, we're not here, can only go so far. I don't mind at the moment I realize.
Mum, I'll do it because Emma's not here, she's looking after the dog. But oh wow, that's massive. That's got to be the biggest well I've ever seen in the castle. That's massive. Yeah. But oh wow. Emma's going to come and have a wander around in a minute. She's just looking after Louis, so we're going to swap. She's going to come and have a walk around. It's pretty impressive though. It's only a small courtyard, and the town of Vitre has it now, and whoever owned it before Victor did, they just gave it to soldiers in the army. But yeah, now it's just for tourists and victims. It's amazing.
In the 1580s, the Parliament of Brittany moved into the castle to avoid the plague in Rennes, which is interesting. It's also quite selfish because everybody else had to get the plague, but they didn't get the plague because they were here. It's a nice castle, it's very pretty.
So this is what we came to Vitre for. Just a photo shoot.
So the historic centre of Vitre was gorgeous.
It was really, really nice to walk around, yeah.
I don't think you'd spend, if you're just doing the historic bit, an hour, maybe 2?
Yeah, maybe 2 for taking photos, have a coffee, yeah, plenty of time, but it was really nice to walk around. I really enjoyed it.
yeah.
The building was stunning.
Yeah, so we hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please don't forget to hit the subscribe, give us a thumbs up, hit the notification, and we'll see you in the next one.
Absolutely, thanks for watching, guys. Take care. Bye.